Hello guys. Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you're running out of space on your iPhone or getting the storage full alert, you might find out that the mysterious other category is expanding. So, what's it about anyway? Basically, it includes files and data used by the system, such as logs, caches, temporary files, or other runtime system resources. In this video, we'll be walking you through several different ways to clear it out. Let's dive in. We all have apps that we downloaded on a whim, so the first recommendation here is Offload Unused apps, which frees up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. You can let your device do it automatically, or select the ones that take most of your storage and offload it manually. Next, turn on iCloud for every important stuff on your device, like photos, emails, contacts, messages, etc. There are also some apps consuming your local disk. You can store their data on iCloud as well. If you're running out iCloud storage, head to Manage Storage, Backups, and delete the unneeded ones. Likewise, deleting the less used app data would be another wise move. As a browser, Safari could generate tons of cache files when you're surfing the internet, so clearing its history and website data would free up a lot of storage for you. After all these steps, give your phone a fresh restart would be helpful. For iPhone X or later, is press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, then press and hold the side button. Let it go when you see the Apple logo. Moving on, if you're looking for a more powerful solution, ReiBoot would be an excellent choice. By repairing your phone in the standard mode, you can not only get rid of the other storage, but also get your phone to the latest iOS. Well done, let's check it out. See, the other storage has shrunk by roughly 1 GB in the process. Next, you can restore your phone from a previous backup, which replaced the existing data on your iPhone, and of course, help you get rid of other storage as well. Next, you can update your phone over the air, or put it into recovery mode, then let iTunes do it for you. Just like this. In the last resort, we can always restore our device to factory settings and start over. Needless to say, it can remove the other storage for good. And actually, you can still get everything back from a backup you store in iCloud or your computer. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. This is Tenorshare channel. See you in the next video.